Cannabis is a versatile herb that can be used in a variety of recipes to enhance their flavor and effects. One such recipe is cannabis-infused fried fish, which combines the crispy and savory flavors of fried fish with the calming effects of cannabis. In this article, we'll go over a simple recipe for cannabis-infused fried fish and provide tips on how to enjoy it safely and responsibly. Before we get started, it's important to note that cannabis is still illegal in many parts of the world. If you're going to make cannabis-infused fried fish, make sure that you're doing it in a legal and safe manner. Additionally, consuming too much cannabis can lead to an unpleasant experience, so it's important to start with a small serving size and work your way up slowly. Ingredients: for the fish, 1 pound of firm white fish, such as tilapia, cod, or haddock. Half cup of all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of cornmeal. 1/4 cup of cannabis-infused olive oil. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, optional. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, optional. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, optional. 1 egg, beaten. Vegetable oil for frying. For the tartar sauce, half cup of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Directions: cut the fish into bite-sized pieces. In a shallow dish, whisk together the flour, cornmeal, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. If using in another shallow dish, beat the egg. Dip each piece of fish in the egg, then coat it in the flour mixture. Heat about ½ inch of vegetable oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the fish to the hot oil and fry until golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove the fish from the pan and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. To make the tartar sauce, whisk together the mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, chopped onion, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Serve the fried fish with the tartar sauce on the side. Tips: if you don't have cannabis-infused olive oil, you can easily make it at home by heating cannabis and olive oil together on low heat for a few hours. The amount of cannabis you use in your infused olive oil will depend on your personal tolerance and the strength of your cannabis. As a general rule, you should aim for about 1/4 ounce of cannabis per cup of olive oil. Start with a small serving size and wait at least an hour before consuming more. The effects of cannabis-infused fried fish can take a while to kick in, so it's important to be patient. Be sure to label your cannabis-infused olive oil and keep it out of the reach of children and pets. Use a high-quality oil with a high smoke point for frying, such as vegetable oil or canola oil. Experiment with different seasonings and spices to customize your fried fish to your liking.